watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean queen. Kayladeebookings, Caribbean queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean queen. Kayladeebookings, Caribbean queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need.
Hey guys, I'm back with another wig install for you guys from LuvMe here. This is one of their wigs from their Glueless wig collection, and this is their loose wave unit. Look at the curls on this hair, you guys. Absolutely beautiful. Also, it is an HD laced wig. It is a 5x5. I believe I got this in a 12 or 14 inch if I'm not mistaken. It does come with the bands in the back, also an adjustable strap for extra security. Before I lay down my wig, I usually like to tighten these straps here in the back, just that way my wig fits really snug on my head without any sliding back, especially if you're wearing your wig completely glueless. I always suggest that you guys tighten those drawstrings in the back. I'm just taking my hands and sliding my wig cap a little further back, that way you do not see it under the lace itself. Look at the lace, you guys, on this here. Again, this is your HD lace wig, so this lace completely melts right into your skin. I did not even have to use a melt band to lay down my wig, and I just like got that melted look instantly. Right now, I'm just taking my razor and just cutting off all that excess lace, and you guys will see how well this lace just like lays on my head. Like, you guys, it looks melted. Mind you, all I had to do was cut the lace off, and I got that extreme melted look without having to use any spray, any adhesive, or any melt band. Like, look at that. I'm giving you guys a close-up on this lace. Like, it looks so good. Also, recently, I feel like LuvMe here has been like really improving on their wigs. Like, you guys, the lace that they've been using lately is extremely thin. It just like melts right in with your skin tone. There's no foundation needed. You do not need to go in and bleach your knots. Like, pretty much all the work comes done for you. Also, this is one of their ready to wear wigs, so all you have to do is literally just throw on the wig and go. I did love the highlights in the wig. I think it was really cute, and it kind of like just like up the wig a little notch, you know, just the all black was giving a little basic, so I feel like the highlight definitely brought this wig to life. Now the hair quality itself is like really soft and silky. It has a very nice luster to it. I think the density on this wig is 180 density if I'm not mistaken, but the wig was pretty full throughout the entire unit, and the hair was extremely soft, you guys. Right here, I'm just sectioning off some hair just to like cover where the lace ends, basically. I'm not really adding any baby hairs because I do want like the whole no baby hair look. So I'm just pulling out some hair just to cover that little track that you see where the lace and the actual wig connects. Again, it is a 5x5 lace closure, so the end and the lace always kind of meet, and I'm just kind of like covering that. Then I'm going in with my flat iron. Now, you guys, I had a hard time trying to like recurl this hair, but which and all, I honestly should have just left the hair in its natural state, because I don't know why I was trying to like recurl the entire thing, and then I was curling it the opposite way. Did not like how the curls were dropping when I curled it up first. I spent about 25 minutes trying to recurl this entire wig. Like I said, I really should have just left it in its natural state because the curls were fine at first. And I really was just like being extra trying to like recurl the entire thing because I really wanted it to like kind of like flip over in my face. But I'm not the best at curling with a flat iron. I need a curling iron, and I didn't have my curling iron with me. So yeah, this is pretty much how the curls turned out when I was done. Not the best, but the hair itself is beautiful, and it does hold a curl, which I really love. I just wished I curled it properly at first. But yeah, this is what the hair is looking like. You guys, the hair is super soft, super silky. The hair is beautiful nonetheless. And oh my gosh, do not look at the back because obviously I cannot see the back. And yeah, it's just, but just on camera, you guys can definitely like tell the quality of this hair. Like, the hair is really good quality. It feels amazing. And I figured I wanted to like try something different. I really wasn't feeling the side part, so I ended up doing like a center part, and then obviously tried to recurl it again to match the center part. And at that point, I was pretty much just over curling the hair, so did my little center part, and y'all, I just did whatever at that point. But I do really love this wig. I did style it up afterwards, where I actually got it to style properly. The wig is beautiful nonetheless. This is like a really good everyday wig, especially if you're a working person and you don't have time to like do your hair every morning that you wake up. This is definitely a great wig to just like draw on and go, especially if you have it styled already. The only thing that you have to do is tighten those strings in the back like I mentioned, and you're pretty much ready to go. Your wig is set, your hair is styled for you. Also, I did go back in and just pluck a little tiny bit of hair out the front because I did want like the whole no baby hair look, and you guys look how beautiful that hairline looks with just like that little bit of plucking. Like, this hair is so beautiful, you guys. Highly recommend it. If I do have a discount code for you guys, that will be listed down below in the description box. Yeah, all the info on this unit will be listed down below. Definitely check out LuvMe here. They have some amazing glueless units, and this is definitely one of them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about the hair. Thank you guys so much for tuning back. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.